If you're over 70 and feel like life has become a little predictable, the same daily routines, you know what I mean? Today we will fix that. In this video I will show you a simple, realistic plan to reinvent your life after 70, step by step. You're definitely not alone facing this problem. Most people believe the best years are behind them, but here's the truth. It's not age that is holding you back. It's not knowing where to start. Let's dive right into it. The biggest mistake people make after 70 is this. They wait. They wait to feel ready. They wait for the right moment. They wait until things feel clearer. But guess what? Clarity doesn't come from waiting. It comes from moving. And once you understand that, everything changes. So let's make this simple. Your very first step is to reignite your curiosity. Think back to time when you were learning something new. There was energy, interest, even excitement. That doesn't disappear with age. It just goes unused. Start small. Watch something new. Learn a simple skill. Explore an idea you have been curious about. Now is the moment to make it happen. You have experience, knowledge, skills, and a lot of time. The goal is not mastery. The goal is momentum. But how to find that momentum in life? This is where most people get stuck. They think, I don't know where to start. So they do nothing. And doing nothing will never help you to find that momentum you need. But today, there are simple paths available, even for beginners. For example, learning how to build a small business online around something you already know and even passionate about. By following a step-by-step training, you will never get lost. You move forward, slowly, little by little. On this fascinating journey, don't try to figure out everything on your own. By joining a community that guides you, you will feel supported and connected, easing feelings of uncertainty and loneliness. You will never feel alone. There are many retirees just like you who are on the same journey, and in the community you will find people who are one step ahead of you. Learn from them and your issues can be solved in minutes. The basic rule is that you need a clear path to follow. And how could that look like? You don't need big actions. You need consistent small ones. 20 minutes, half an hour a day, one lesson at a time, one step forward. That's how confidence grows. That's how change happens. And before you know it, you are no longer thinking about starting. You have already begun and you have got momentum in your project. But don't fall into the trap most people in our age group fall into. Let me be honest with you, the biggest risk after 70 is not failure, it's staying exactly where you are, because comfort can feel safe, but it can quietly take away your future possibilities. When in the corporate world, you have to be updated on all new things happening in your industry. Otherwise, what would happen? Your job was in danger. You did your very best to not be behind, no matter if you liked it or not. You did it from a survival perspective. Now you will do it on your terms, because you are building something for yourself. All that we have been talking about so far was me when going into retirement almost a decade ago. So what did I do? If this resonates with you and if you're ready to explore a simple way to start something new, do what I did. Being exactly the same situation you probably are right now. After weeks searching around randomly on the internet what I could do to make my retirement fulfilling and joyful, I suddenly came across a site where they literally talked to me. That phrase, the world is shifting. Yes, indeed it does. Don't get left behind. Oops, that was me. Watch how to build your online income now. Well, if I could earn money, that's not bad. I signed up for a completely free training series and the rest is story. My online business has now been live for over a decade. I love what I'm doing. My retirement is now something that is far away from the typical routines for retirees. If it sounds interesting, I have left a link in the text below to exactly the same free training series that changed my life completely as a retiree. Before I leave you, remember this: retirement isn't the last chapter, it's the beginning of a new story that could be the missing part you are searching for right now. If you would like to know more about how to find purpose in life, watch the video coming up here on the screen. It will help you to explore a simple way to start something new and exciting in retirement. And never forget this, my friend: you are not too late. You just need to begin.